It's snowing. We got our snow I was telling y'all about in the last video. It's like 5 or 6 inches. I mean, you can't even see the base of my basketball goal. That's when you know you got a lot of snow. Me and my wife are fixing to go get some breakfast. Yeah, we're getting on the roads. You're gonna have to, you know. We're gonna go get some breakfast, and sometime this morning Justin is coming over and Thomas should be getting out sometime this morning, and when that happens we're going hunting. We're going rabbit hunting, squirrel hunting, deer hunting, you name it, because everything gonna be moving this morning. We're gonna go get some breakfast, wait on the guys to get here. We'll show y'all a little trip up the road, and we'll catch y'all when they get here. Well, we're from the south. We don't see this every day. Maybe once a winter. About usually when we see that. Alright guys, well I got Thomas awake. Justin is on his way. I gotta get the other 22. Thomas has got the 22 with the scope. We seen squirrels. Well, I seen squirrels on my porch. They jump down the tree, jump onto the snow. They go under it, go a few feet, pop up. They look around, go under it. They dig little tunnels underneath. I think it's kind of funny, but we're gonna go after some wabbits, some squirrels, probably some deer later. I don't know. We're gonna be out in it though. We gonna get after it. Go get this 22. Thomas just got his 22. We're gonna have to do this all on the GoPro because it's still raining. We're sleeting. I don't want my expensive camera to get wet. Y'all stick along. 22 in hand. Dogs are playing. Time to get after it. Just gotta wait on Slowpoke Justin. His last one at his house. We go hunting here. And the last one over here, we go hunting over here. Man, it's cold as I thought it was gonna be today, which is good. What you get on YouTube? You know, all them times where we have to wait on him every day, we're still waiting on him.
Grab a gun, let's go. We're ready.
You bring one?
No.
Well, I guess he got 22s. He didn't bring a gun.
Jeremy taught me how to take the shotgun, by the way. Just throwing it up there.
It's too loud.
I thought it was gonna be a good idea, but he's like, no, it's still gonna be too loud. Just shoot something, it's gonna all be gone.
Yep. You shoot one rabbit and all the other rabbits will disappear.
That is bent.
There's one in there.
And take a peek at this, y'all. Viewers. There's one sticking out. It's front ways in this one.
We're gonna get past these technical difficulties and we'll be back with y'all.
Did you see that one that's got like a cyst on his neck? That deer I sent last night?
Yeah, I thought it was another deer head, to be honest.
No, it's like it's this side. He turns and it's just big old bulge.
Hey, give me like 2 pew-pew. He's gonna need all the shells he needs.
Yeah.
They ride on me, but you know what? It's because I miss sometimes.
If you're gonna fall in, at least get it on camera.
He's pushing it. Look at him, look at him.
That's where I stole the dirt.
Buries the goats. Look how it goes.
Oh, I can do better than that.
You move stuff out the trail.
Ooh.
Stick.
Nothing. Nope. Nope.
It's
Nope.
stick.
Nope. 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 Nope.
That's harder than what you think it is.
They got it.
He got a scope. I'm hitting iron. Here, here's some more shells. I'm out.
I'm gonna start limiting you. I'm gonna put him on the limit over here.
I was hitting the stick.
That pine cone is still breathing if Justin's got to go after it. It's a little icy this morning. Morning, guys. So it's the next day, and we didn't do no good yesterday. Didn't do any good. No rabbits were found. No rabbits were harmed in the making of this film. However, it is the next morning. Yesterday was Friday. Today is Saturday, and it's currently 5:40. Anyway, plan is I'm going to Justin's house. Me and him going hunting this morning. I'm gonna go sit with him, possibly. Maybe even split up, I don't know. I got my 308 with me today. And that buck keeps coming in on him, so we're gonna go try to get it dead over there this morning. Thomas ain't going. He's got a pig to kill clean. Can't really put that on the channel. But he's doing that this morning. Nothing happens this morning. We're gonna be out there again this afternoon, and Thomas will be out there this afternoon. So these roads are really bad, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get there.
Where's your boggin at? I was about to say you're gonna need it.
Going in the truck. We get over here to his parking spot to go in and go hunting, and he's got a big old buck out there right now.
Oh, we couldn't shoot him no way.
No. You don't want to bust him off though when going in.
So he broke that.
Is that the same one?
Yep. We're gonna have to let him leave.
That sucks.
I'm kind of happy we didn't walk in there. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Why couldn't he wait?
Wait an hour.
Or 45 minutes.
Well, we know he's close. Man.
Put it in front of him. It was everywhere. I was trying to stop him right there. A jerk when I pulled the trigger.
He missed a coyote.
At least it wasn't a big deer.
Well, next time get down now.
Yeah, he's gone. That son's gonna cut out. He's like, whoa. Maybe that's what you do. You don't aim to kill them. You just aim to scare them. You just, whoo, go.
Just in the matter of a few hours, y'all. Nice. I can finally see the ground again. Ugh. But we didn't see. My keys are locked in the truck. Are you kidding me? Swear to bejesus. Okay, let me figure something out real quick. Well, couldn't find no more keys. The extra remote we've got for the truck, usually leave it in the toolbox. Well, toolbox is locked. So now if we kill something, Justin's just gonna have to run it to my house. And we're gonna be taking his car. Luckily, I left my hunting stuff, my gun, in Justin's truck. Or we'd be really screwed, or I would be. So like I said a moment ago, we didn't see Jack this morning other than that coyote. And he missed it at 20 yards. Y'all seen it. He should have hit that thing, but he didn't.
In front of it.
We're going hunting.
He took a nap. He's grumpy.
I took a nap. I'm grumpy. That and I gotta pull the muscle up in here somehow. I don't know. It's hurting. It's getting on my nerves. It's not comfortable. But we're going hunting. And we're gonna split up. All three of us are gonna be in different spots. We'll see how we can get there. When we get there.
That CRP? You gonna try to kill him, ain't you?
Well, you said you ain't never hunted it.
I ain't never been over there.
What you gonna do? Just set up?
Yeah.
Look at that buzzard.
The bazaar?
Smells of the goat.
Technically, it's hog today. If y'all ain't seen it, go look at. Yeah, I was about to say, that's what I'm smelling.
My hands.
I keep getting the sultry whiff of. Ugh. So is that your dad or is that her dad?
Her dad.
Okay.
Yeah, he's just her dad. Look at him and go out there messing that water. He loves water. Should have been a lab.
I've still got. So the viewers know, y'all, I'm talking to you. I ain't shot one buck yet. I ain't got a cold buck this year. They got spikes on camera. If I see a spike, it's gonna die because it's legal to do that.
3 does in there yesterday afternoon.
Yeah, those ones we watched.
What I'm saying is, I think if you want a chance on that big buck, that's
I think he's gonna be over there because it's not pressured.
Yeah. He knows it's not pressured. That's why he goes there.
Or does over there too.
So you waiting on him, or are we gonna go?
I'm just. Let's go.
I'm about to say I got a little tired from this morning. We skinned the hog earlier.
I'm exhausted. I'm gonna be honest with you. That was more work.
That's a lot.
That was more work than what I thought. Jeremy's just sitting over there.
He's like, you missed a spot. Cut a little bit more right here. Yeah, it looks good, boys.
Hey, I don't mind. I'd like a little roast. That's all I want.
You're getting some meat.
You gonna get something out of it. Might get half that tenderloin.
To be honest with you guys,
I don't think you deserve none of it. No, you don't deserve nothing.
Hey, I killed it. I'd get at least a tongue out of it or something.
Your mama's like, let me pray over you.
Prayed over me first. And then she realized I'm not the shooter, and then she's like, hang on, we gotta do
The
this.
chosen one showed up in the truck. So.
Now the slacker's what it was.
Let's see y'all will get there.
Guys, they didn't drop me off. They're gonna head over to an unpressured CRP field. I'm gonna sit back in the buddy stand where they were this morning. And hopefully we can get something done today. We was waiting on snow. Snow's almost gone. Look at that. Pretty, but kind of like that song, hate to see her go, but love to watch her leave. Yeah. Hate to see it go, but we sure love watch her leave. I got some walking to do, so I'm not gonna talk. I need to be quiet, so y'all leave me alone while I get out there. Unless I say something, then I have to report it.
You need that.
How tall is this kid?
Like up to my chin.
Like standing from the ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
Trust me, you shouldn't have no hiking shoes on that.
What's this damn chair?
Alright guys, we just got set up. Justin's living on my high side over there. He's up there. I'm down here low to the ground. We're up here on a spot he's never hunted before. What is that big deal?
So we decided to come over here, see if we can catch him cutting through. See if he sticks his head out. We'll see. Thomas is hunting that other spot of his. But the goal of the day is to get the big 8-point. But if we kill something, that's a win. But if anything happens, y'all be here. That's a buck. Let me see. That's a buck. Let me see it. Is it the buck? He see it. Does he see it? I don't know which one it is. Where's two? I don't see. Which one you talking about? I thought there's just one. No, there's several out there. Where's the other one at? Back on the tree line. Oh, I see the buck. You want me to shoot it? Yeah, shoot the buck. Okay. Back. I got it. Back. 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 That always makes me mad when you get a daggone buck in the scope. You can't pull the trigger because you can't get steady.
Oh, when I hollered map at him, you seen him run. He saw that doe. He was hot on that doe, you know it.
Just had 3 does come out and a buck, or 2 does and a buck, or whatever. They go down there in that bottom. They still there.
What the doe is? Can you see the doe?
I can't see nothing now. Well, it happens like that sometimes.
Dude, you just got him, dude. Shut up. Give me a hug, man. That's the way. I saw that squirrel. He went over there and made a scrape, dude.
Dude, I told you to hunt this spot, dude.
Shot him left-handed, free-handed.
Freaking smoked him, son.
Messed his whole front door up.
Good gracious, dude. Oh, my bad.
He's not as big as I thought. Like, he's not.
That's a good deer, though.
Oh, he's a stud. He is a stud.
I keep forgetting I got a tripod on this thing.
Oh yeah, he's still trying to fight you. Oh, you're good. That is him, boys. He broke that.
He's almost a 9.
Dude, look where he was just rubbing.
He's almost a 9-point. Feel satisfied with yourself?
Yeah. Let me send you a picture of it.
I just took a picture of it.
No, you didn't.
He's a good deer though. Oh, somebody's happy. Well, he didn't get up and run off, so you're good. Yeah.
Boy, these things.
Mississippi deer hunting, y'all.
Pull him that way.
I'll go ahead and put this out there.
That's a good deer. I'm tickled with that. That's a 3-year-old.
That's a pretty deer. After big buck kill excitement, I'm gonna take a bunch of pictures.
Let's get out of here.
Let's go back to the house and let Thomas see it.
Well, guys, I got more work to do. That's okay though. Good blood's done. 3 does come out. Went ahead and took one of them off. So I got some more meat in the freezer, but boy, it's cold. Anyway, I'll get down there in a minute. It's sitting right there in front of me. I just got to get to where I can move again. Because if y'all ever killed a deer out in the woods, y'all knows what I do. You hold in that cold until you get excited. Then it's hard to stay still.
There it is. You shot baby. What the heck? You shot Bambi. At least you shot Bambi. Huh?
Oh, you did shoot. That's what I freaking thought I heard.
Me and Jeremy, we'll have to pull it up.
Armageddon.
We have to pull it up. I'm sitting here. We're sitting at that point, just watching.
Yeah.
And dude, me and Jeremy, we're here something. We're, and I was like, I see a squirrel, and I was like, dude, that's a squirrel. And then we looked over, and this tree, this oak tree, the limbs going, woo, 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 woo. He's over there making a scrape. And
See,
I threw my scope up, and I told Jeremy, I said, dude, that's him. And he started coming down the tree line. I'm not left-handed. I'm having to go like this, left-handed, free-handed, chest shot. Jeremy said, here he comes. Boom! That thing goes, boom.
And then Thomas turned around and shoots.
Hey, that's good meat.
That's all I'm showing y'all. That's all I'm going to show.
Yeah, it was quartered away from me too, so.
Yeah. We knew he shot one.
Yeah, I had a feeling. Hey, I'm just happy I got one.
I'm happy I got more meat.
Dude, I got blood all over you.
That's fine, that's fine.
Overall, guys, we've had a pretty blessed year.
I'm not showing that. I'm not showing that hole.
It's a drastic hole.
He said, it's gonna be like we're calling in ducks. On that video, but
I might just put one long quack on about 5 minutes of the video.
You better silence it and just put elevator music.
but we fixing to get this out of here, go to the house. But okay.
You're right there on the edge.
I'm debating.
Love you.
Alright, love you, baby.
Congratulations on that.
Be careful.
Man, I got blood on me.
Hey, don't wipe it on me.
Pull it up just a little bit. Alright. Just forward.
Come on. Come on.
Don't dare jump.
It's not too heavy.
Say you can't lose a head. Well, we hope that y'all have liked the video that we just laid down. It snowed, we decided to capitalize on the snow. And we hope we have earned your subscription. And it's been one heck of a video. And probably a few duck quacks if we decide to edit it that way. We'll see. But anyway, Justin, any final thoughts?
It's been a good year.
Here's the dial. Here's the dial. We'll see y'all in the next video.